Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan. Gonna do a quick live video here of how to take the hub off 2019 Anthem with the disc brakes. Here we go, quick, easy. Pop the axle. Here's that little axle seal I was telling you about in the other video. That just pops out. There's no axle gasket or silicone anymore. Just need some straight snap ring pliers here. Here's that red clip they call it, and it hooks out the bottom. So that's what you're looking for. Just hooks in the hole. You have 3 different holes to choose from depending on where the inner ring ends up being. But I wanted to show you the inside one. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, which is nice because you can turn the hub to put it where you need to be so you're not working upside down or anything like that. But that tab is right there. You go in with a flat screwdriver, lift it up, pull it out, and just run around here. That comes right out like I showed you in the other video. And we just have the big nut to get here. And here is that inner spacer I was telling you about, where the red locks into the red clip, and that's it.